Why you always make me the bad guy? You should be grateful. I give you everything, every little thing.
That is really nice. Wow, that is actually really crystal clear. The LANDR Rehance versions. LANDR just released a brand new plugin called Rehance, which is designed to help you clean up and remove any noise in any of your vocal recordings in just a couple of seconds. So let's try it out. So I've got this kind of like spoken wordy section in my song here that has probably more issues than just a denoising plugin can handle.
Sensitive. You just imagined it. Stop being so dramatic. Why would you think that? I never touched you. Stop saying that.
So my wife recorded this holding our infant child because he was just going to cry if she wasn't holding him. And this was when he was going through this weird phase where he liked to fake cough a lot. So we have all those coughs in there. So I have to like probably go in there with like Isotopes RX or something to clean that up. But there's still other like background noise and stuff. I think she was like recording some fan or vent noise or something. So we're going to use LANDR's Rehance, where you actually need a MIDI track for this and you put it on as the instrument and then you upload the recording. It's a little impractical that you can't just throw it onto a track and operate like a plugin that way, but it's just like a little extra step where you have to bounce it or export it and then let it process. All right, and then we got low, medium, and high.
Why can't you just be normal? You're too sensitive. You just imagined it. Stop being so dramatic. Why would you think that? I never touched you. Stop saying that. You were smiling. You must have liked it. You asked for it. Why you always make me the bad guy? You should be grateful. I give you everything, every little thing on the table. If you tell anyone, they'll never believe you. You don't really mean that. I never said that. I only heard you because I love you. Don't walk away from me. I did it for your own good. You should have let it be. Stop. It didn't hurt that bad. Quit your crying. After everything I've done, you're still lying. How dare you? I would never say that. How dare you? I would never say that.
So pretty nice at the end there.
Why can't you just...
So it really cuts off the end there. But what I can do is kind of splice these together. So let's go ahead and I kind of like the medium. So we'll download that. And it looks like now I can just drag this in, I think. Here we go. That's
Smiling,
nice.
you must have liked it. You asked for it. Why you always make me the bad guy? You should be grateful. I give you everything, every...
So that's definitely a huge improvement. You got all that kind of room noise out of it. Sounds a whole lot better than if we were to put like my effects on it.
Why can't you just be normal? You're too sensitive. You stop saying that. You were smiling. You must have liked it. You asked for it. Why you always make me the bad guy? You should be grateful.
So that versus this.
Sensitive. You just imagined it. Stop being so dramatic. Why would you think that? I never touched you. Stop saying that. You were...
Wow. So that is definitely way better than just like the waves clarity.
Sensitive. You just imagined it. Stop being so dramatic. Why would you think that? I never touched you.
Some kind of rumbling.
Sensitive. You just imagined it. Stop being so dramatic. Why would you think that? I never touched you. Stop saying that. You were smiling. You must have liked it. Why you always make me the bad guy? You should be grateful. I give you everything, every little thing.
That is really nice. Wow. That is actually really crystal clear, the LANDR Rehance version. So I'm actually really impressed by this, and right, I use waves clarity all the time, but this sounds like it might be even better than that. This gives you a little bit more control, obviously, I think, with the knob, but that's because, I mean, you get low, medium, and high, kind of like the same kind of thing. So I guess it's kind of comparable to VX, I guess, by waves, but I mean, you tell me in the comments which one you think is better. I'll have both of them linked below, so whichever one you liked better, you can grab it if you went through one of my affiliate links. And when it comes to producing pro quality vocals from home, denoising and cleaning up is just one part of the process. I have a full vocal production guide inside of my producer pack. If you want to grab that, just click in the description below and this will walk you through exactly how to record, clean, edit, and mix your vocals so that they sound professional, even if you only have budget equipment. And this is inside my producer pack, which has a whole bunch of other templates, presets, samples, guides, and a bunch more. So definitely grab that in the description below completely for free. And if you want to learn more about denoising, then check out my video on the screen now where I walk through 3 different ways that you can go about cleaning up, editing, and denoising your vocals.